Going to do a few part unboxing of my new NVIDIA RTX 5090. Got this at GTC just a couple days ago, and we're going to open it up live. I don't really have a great setup for showing off. Not really a thing I like to do, but this particular unboxing I thought was kind of necessary, given that I want to kind of understand all what's going on inside. This thing was quite heavy when I got it. It was shoot, I felt like it was 20 pounds or so. And I'm a pretty athletic dude, certainly in the 300 club bench pressing, and carrying this around all day was kind of a monster. So just gonna go through, try to keep it in the camera frame as much as possible, but we'll see how this goes. That's saying this top half, so I'm gonna turn it around here and lift that up. Whoa. Probably the prettiest NVIDIA product that I've seen so far. I certainly don't get paid by NVIDIA, so gonna see if I can lift this out with one hand. I got big hands. Can't, so I'm gonna try something else here. Holy smokes, can't even get it up. Wow, that is heavy. Sorry about that, we'll cut that out. So this is it. Inside of this, looks like cardboard container. I was wondering why it was so big, because when I got the last one, it did not come in a box like this. It was completely different. And certainly easier to wrangle. Very cool though. Very cool box they put it in. And I'm gonna kind of keep going at this. When I get it fully set up, I'll do a comparison between my old 4090 and my i9 processor, and I'll work through the differences for you guys live. Cool. Okay. Sorry about all the movement. Just as you guys know, I'm not one of those kind of folks that spends a whole lot of time. That's why it was so heavy. This thing is a monster. Just this case that it was in. I was like, there's no way it's going to be that heavy, because there'd be no way for my chassis of my computer to hold it. But here we go. It is still roughly, I want to say about 14 pounds or so. Might be wrong on that. Don't quote me. And you can see here, we got the HDMI and HDPI slot. And then in here, probably connector cable. Yep. And a quick getting started guide, which I'll probably look through just briefly. I know how to do this, hopefully. After all the college education, I better be able to figure this out. But anyway, so that's that. Yep. Yeah, all right, and this little getting started guide. There you go. And I'll do a little part 2 with the actual running it in comparison to my other. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. I easily fall in love with beautifully made hardware. Yeah, it's gorgeous. All right, the second part will be me after post install, and we'll go from there.